Welcome to Steno Dictation by PT. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to participate in this very important discussion regarding the development of our rural economy. It is a well-known fact that India lives in its villages, and unless our rural sectors are strengthened, the dream of a fully developed nation will remain unfulfilled. In the last few years, the government has taken several historic steps to improve the socio-economic conditions of the poor and marginalized sections of our society. The primary focus of our developmental agenda has consistently been infrastructure. Under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, thousands of kilometers of new roads have been constructed, connecting remote villages to the main markets. This has not only improved connectivity but has also provided our farmers with a vital platform to sell their produce at much better prices. However, sir, there are still many areas where the progress is quite slow. I urge the Honorable Minister to look into the budgetary provisions for these pending projects and ensure their timely completion. Moving further, the issue of unemployment among the rural youth is a matter of great concern for all of us. While the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act has provided a basic safety net, we need to focus more on advanced skill development. The youth must be trained. They must be trained in technical skills that are in high demand in the current industrial market. Only then can we bridge the gap between rural talent and urban opportunities. So, another important aspect is the healthcare system in rural areas. Although many primary health centers have been established lately, the storage of qualified doctors and essential medicines remains a major challenge. The government must ensure the benefits of national health schemes must reach the last person in the line. Similarly, the field of education, the quality of teaching in rural schools needs significant improvement. Digital literacy should be promoted so that our rural students can compete with those living in the cities. Now, coming to the agricultural sector, our farmers are truly the backbone of the economy. The introduction of soil health cards. The introduction of soil health cards and crop insurance schemes has provided some much needed relief. But the rising cost of fertilizers and seeds is putting an extra burden on them. The government should provide more subsidies and ensure that the maximum support price is implemented effectively across all states. Furthermore, the empowerment of women through self-help groups has shown remarkable results in various parts of the country. These groups have enabled women to become financially independent and participate in the decision-making process of their families. The government should provide more financial assistance and training to these groups to expand their reach. In conclusion, sir, development is a continuous process. It requires the collective effort of the central government, state governments, and the citizens. We must rise above political differences to work hard. We must work hard for the welfare of the nation. I am confident that with the right policies and sincere implementation, we will be able to transform the lives of millions of people living in rural India. Apart from this, the irrigation facilities in the dry regions must be expanded. Water management is the need of the hour. We should encourage rainwater harvesting and modern techniques of farming to save water. The use of technology in agriculture will definitely increase the yield and reduce the physical labor of our farmers. So, the government should also look into the problems of small scale industries in rural areas. These industries can provide local employment and prevent migration to big cities. Proper credit facilities and marketing support should be provided to these small entrepreneurs. This will lead to a balanced growth. Balanced growth of the entire country is essential for long-term stability. The youth of this country are looking towards us with high hopes. We must not fail them. We have to create an environment where every individual has the opportunity to grow and contribute to the national progress. I thank you, sir, for allowing me to place my views before this august house today. Thank you very much. इस डिक्टेशन में कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं जहाँ पे मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, लाइक सोशियो इकनॉमी। बीच में हाइफन देने से हम अगर रह जाते हैं तो हमारी एसएससी मिस्टेक काउंट कर लेता है। और कुछ टर्म्स है जो एसएससी मोस्टली डिक्टेशन में रिपीट करता है, लाइक ऑनरेबल, ऑगस्ट हाउस, सोशियो इकनॉमिक, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। ये मोस्टली शिफ्ट्स में जो हमारे पहले रह चुकी हैं उनमें रिपीट हुए हैं। बजटरी प्रोविजंस, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, मार्जिनलाइज्ड सेक्शंस, एम्पावरमेंट, बैकबोन। हमने जैसे पहले भी कल के डिक्टेशन में डिस्कस किया था, एसएससी ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश फॉलो करता है। इस वजह से जब हम टाइपिंग में मिस्टेक कर देते हैं, ऑनरेबल की स्पेलिंग जो एसएससी फॉलो करता है वो यू को कंसिडर करता है। जो हम जैसे स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, ऑनरेबल वाली स्पेलिंग करेक्ट मानी जाती है। एंड प्रोग्राम सेंटर्स, ऑर्गेनाइज प्रायोरिटीज़, ये स्पेलिंग्स फॉलो की जाती हैं। यहाँ हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए। थैंक यू।